We can let it all out again, start over.
Okay, we're back.
We found another hole in this wheel.
No, you have to do that. You gotta start over?
Yeah. See how long it takes, right?
Well, we already did 3/4. Well, I'm just gonna fill it up. I don't know.
It's a big leak.
Ran over another bolt?
It's a big leak.
Yeah, ran over another hole.
There we are in the middle of the desert again, all by ourselves. Just us in this.
Now what's our charge up to under there? What's half, 3/4? What's
3/4.
3/4.
Well, it's claiming it's fully full now in there.
Fully charged now.
Fully
okay.
full.
Somewhere between 3/4 and full. Let's see, pump up this 200 by 18-inch tire here. If you don't fill the hole up, it'll still leak.
Drop it on the ground, why don't you?
I would. No harm in doing that. What are you doing under there? You get that done?
Alright.
That screws on?
Yep. Alright, now you want to know how long it took? You can set a little...
Yeah, let's do a timer. It's going to take longer than the last time because it's going to go all the way up this time. Hopefully.
Stopwatch.
You got to hook it up first. Yeah, just hit it. Start. Starting?
Not until we start.
Oh, we started already. Hooking it up.
Alright. 33.
33? Yeah.
Yep.
We're at 0. That's 3 pounds already. It starts at 3 pounds. So that means your ball better have 3 pounds of air in it. You ain't going nowhere.
She went to 3/4 right away, so that's probably where she was at. When it was charging, it was still blinking up, that last one.
3/4. Hopefully not to get, it's not even full air either. We're only at 33 pounds. These things need to crank up at least 36. But it dropped down to first 1 bar pretty quickly. Seven and a half. Just cranking it up. Oh well. Let's keep playing. Yeah. How big is the motor on this one? Luke, how big was the motor on this one?
So stop 96, bone stop.
96. Nothing in it?
No cans, no nothing. Everything on this bike is stopped.
Air cleaner is off.
What's that?
Air cleaner is off.
Yeah, but I'm saying, you know,
Probably got a tune on it.
We'll probably pump this one up soon.
Yep. Big ass fire.
That was 2 minutes right there, so shit.
2 minutes to 12 pounds.
Gotta add 7 seconds to this, whatever we do.
2 minutes to 12 pounds. So that's going to take 6 minutes. Be a long video. When you get over the spark plug hole.
Those are Excel coils.
Oh, coil on plug deal?
Yeah. I just like the look of it.
Yeah.
They work really good for me.
No external coils right there, that's it.
I don't know if they still make them or not.
Probably not. That stuff never went over that good, so. I've never seen them on a bike. It's on the catalog. Not on a
I'll
bike.
buy another set before they die on me.
Before they're gone forever?
Cause I cut the bracket off. It's not there anymore.
Yeah, I saw. The frame was empty. The stock coil bracket is right here.
Right there on that post, yeah.
It's right over here in the post. It's in there.
Cut it off and powder coated it.
It ain't there no more. Yeah, you get another post, it just bolts in. Okay. Oh well. Oh, we dropped down 2 bars.
Using power.
Almost 20 pounds, 2 bars.
Is she gonna make it all the way?
I don't know. It's close. It's pretty much about 85 to 90% charged. Probably 90 because it flashed full. So it's probably about 90% charged. We were gone for what, about an hour? 45 minutes?
I doubt it. It's probably only charged for half hour, 45 minutes maybe.
Probably 45 minutes.
Not long ago.
Yeah, it's probably 45 minutes. We used a cell phone charger to charge it. How's the heat build up?
That's pretty warm.
The hose is.
I can still hang on to it, but
It's hot.
that's about as long as I want to.
150 degrees probably. What about the back of it?
The unit itself is staying pretty cool. Like,
Okay, that's good. What are you up to?
5 minutes.
Oh, 5 minutes. It's getting slower. Took 2 minutes to get to 12 pounds. Took 5 minutes to get to 25. The hotter it gets, the less efficient it becomes.
That's it. That hose is hot.
Yeah. I don't think if they can make it on a car tire.
I don't know. Let's see.
Wouldn't make it on a truck tire.
Oh, where'd you go?
It might work on a car tire. I think they'll make it on a truck tire. Yeah, it's not very fast. Clock went off, we're still going.
Probably it's got a little piston probably about this size in there, chugging away, right?
Oh yeah. It's a pretty big unit, but it's not. Obviously, the battery's not very big, or it's it's got a lot of juice going to work the pump.
We're gonna get there on this charge though. 28, 29.
Yeah, it's holding this time. So we started at half, but the half might only be about 40%. Because it dropped down pretty quick to one battery, 1 bar. What's our time at? Six and a half minutes.
You have to add 7 seconds to that.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna be up there. We'll be close to 8 minutes. It's a long time. Of course, on the side of the road, 8 minutes pumping is no problem. I'll wait an hour if I have to. Oh, it's getting there. 7.5 minutes.
Yep.
7 and a half.
20 seconds.
Yeah,
basically
7.5
come down
minutes to get where we need to be.
33.
So how's the heat now?
I mean, that's hot.
Well, I know the hose is. We're
But-
still at 2 bar, right?
But
Yeah, we're still at 2 bar.
the machine itself is just barely warm. Like, just barely warm.
So no more
Obviously,
heat
it's
than
just
before.
warm here where it's coming out, but see, the machine's pretty warm. It's just barely warm.
Yeah, it's hotter than it was, but not by much. It's still Not that much at all.
It's hot around here.
The whole machine is hot now. Before it was just a little hot in the corner. Now the whole thing's getting hot.
So this is,
But the hose is boiling.
this is, you know, I can hang on to it, but
Yeah.
it's hot.
It works pretty good. It's not as good as the other one I got from them. It's just the same brand here. See? Same brand. But this one's a little bit bigger. That's the pump of the truck tire came under that time. That's what this one is. But this is a big boy.
6,000 amps, huh?
Yeah, well, it's a cranker for starter, but it's also got a big air compressor in there too. And I ran, let's see, on my storage area, I did 12 or 13 tires from zero. Pretty much they're all flat.
Okay.
Yeah, and it still had some power in it, but it was getting down. I did a bunch of tires, 12 or 13 of them. So, all right, there you go. It's not as good as some brands, but it's more than adequate for what it is. It's definitely a lot smaller than that big thing over there, but it is what it is. Seemed to work pretty good, but it does need to be fully charged. Definitely key. All right, that's it for now.